In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest is a powerful platform for driving traffic and generating sales through affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a way to monetize your Pinterest account, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process. First off, let's talk about why you should even care about Pinterest. Well, Pinterest has over 450 million active users every month, and 75% of them are women. This makes a fantastic platform to target a highly engaged audience that is actively seeking inspiration and products to buy. If you aren't already using Pinterest, click the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what affiliate marketing exactly is. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's companies or products. You share a unique affiliate link on your social media platform, blog, or website, and when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Let's talk about some benefits of affiliate marketing. First off, passive income. You earn money even while you sleep, as long as your content drives traffic and sales. It's also low startup costs. No need to create your own product or hold inventory. It's also very flexible. You can work from anywhere and choose products that align with your niche and audience. Next up, we're talking about how to join affiliate programs. First, you need to make sure you're choosing the correct affiliate programs. You want to select affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. Look for programs that offer products you believe in and that you think your audience will find valuable. A very popular one is Amazon Associates. Amazon is a trusted and reliable platform with a wide range of products. It's a great choice for beginners due to its extensive product catalog and strong brand recognition. Next is Share a Sales. To create a Share a Sales account, what you'll do is click the link in the description and we'll go ahead and create an account. You can create a username and create a password, and you can go ahead and select where your country is. Then we'll go to step 2. What you would do next is enter your website URL, enter in your language, and answer these couple of questions. Another affiliate program is called Impact. Impact offers a diverse range of affiliate programs with top brands, providing you numerous options to find products that fit your niche. All you have to do is apply to the affiliate programs once you've identified which ones you would like to work with. You'll need to provide information about your blog or social media presence and how you plan to promote products. Application processes are pretty straightforward, so just make sure you follow the instructions for each program. Once approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link to promote. Now we need to set up our Pinterest account. You want to make sure you create a Pinterest business account. A business account provides analytics and other tools essential for affiliate marketing. So what you'll want to do is click the link in the description and go to Pinterest. You want to make sure you're on the business portion. Go ahead and click sign up. Here we are going to enter our email and create a password. You'll also have to add in your birthday. You can also sign up with your Google account. Amazing. You'll want to make sure you add a photo with a professional picture, add a compelling bio and relevant keywords. Let's create our first board. You want to make sure you organize your Pinterest content by creating boards related to your niche. This helps categorize your pins and make it easier for users to find content related to your interests. To create a Pinterest board, you go ahead and click the plus, and here you can see pin or board. Again, since we want to keep it organized, let's go ahead and places to go. Let's just say we're a travel niche. Here you want to make sure you keep this unchecked so people can find your board. You can also add collaborators, but let's go ahead and click create. Here you can automatically save some pins to your board, or you can just click done and only add your own. And you want to name the board based on keywords relevant to your niche. Like I mentioned, we're going to be traveling, so places to go is a good keyword. Now that we have the board, we want to create compelling content for our Pinterest. What we want to do is to design eye-catching pins. A tool that I highly recommend to use is Canva to create professional looking pins with engaging images, text overlays, and your branding. If you don't already use Canva, click the link in the description for a free trial for the pro plan. So once you get into Canva and sign up for the free trial, what you can do is just go ahead and search Pinterest pins and a bunch of examples will come up. What you can do is easily customize them. Here you can see solo travel. You can customize this and it's the exact size for a pin. So you can customize using photos, catchy headings, and other different elements. You can also upload your own photos. Okay, so what you'll want to do is once you're done, you can do a video if you would like. You can go ahead and click download. We'll do an MP4. Now that that we're in our board, we'll go ahead and click the plus button, add pin, and then we can go ahead and upload our design. Then we'll want to add a title, a description, and then this is the very important part. Since this is affiliate marketing, you want to make sure you add the link, whether you're going to a blog or that will have other links with affiliate marketing, or if you want to add the link here. So even though this isn't a fashion Pinterest site, we can tag the different clothes in here. So if someone comes to look at our pin and they're like, ooh, this looks so pretty. Oh, I wonder where she got that hat. You can add the link and someone can buy and you end up getting a commission from that. Another way that you can add images is many affiliate sites actually have resources that you can use. They provide high quality images of their products and you could download these images directly from the affiliate's website. You want to ensure that you have permission to use these images according to the affiliate program's terms and conditions. You also can add those images to Canva to customize them even more. You can add text, overlays, or other design elements to make the pins unique and branded. Another way you can create pins is taking high quality photos of products yourself, products that you already own. If there's a product you're promoting, you can take your own high quality photos. For example, let's just say we have a travel Pinterest page and we want to link the camera that we use. We can take a high quality photo of our camera and we can tag and link the actual camera to the Amazon affiliate program. So then you can make, if someone wants to buy that camera, they can click that link and you get a commission from that. A few tips for photographing your own high quality photos. You want to use natural lighting, a clean background, and multiple angles to showcase the product. You want to use an editing software like Canva to enhance the images. Adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness for a professional look. You can also repurpose content from other social media, Instagram, and other platforms. Again, you want to make sure you're repurposing high quality content from other social media accounts. You also want to make sure you're crediting the creators if you're using content from them. This includes tagging them, mentioning them in your description. Another key point when you're creating pins is you want to make sure you're writing engaging pin descriptions. You want to write compelling descriptions that include relevant keywords. This helps your pins rank higher in Pinterest searches and attracts more clicks. A couple of tips for this are include a call to action, use relevant keywords naturally, and make your description informative and engaging. Also want to craft compelling CTAs, like use phrases like click to read more, shop now, or learn more. Creating a sense of urgency with phrases like limited time offer or don't miss out can also really help. You also want to provide value and information in the detailed descriptions. Offer detailed information about what users can expect when they click on the pin. Highlight the benefits or outcomes of the product, service, or content you're promoting. Incorporate relevant emojis to add visual appeal and break up text. Use emojis to convey tone and emotion, making your description more engaging. You do want to make sure descriptions are concise and to the point, as most users will be viewing on mobile devices. Ensure your text is easily readable on smaller screens. You also want to make sure you're using relevant hashtags. Use hashtags that are relevant to your pin's content to increase discoverability. You also want to make sure you're using SEO strategies. Pinterest is a search engine, so optimizing your pins for search is crucial. Use relevant keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and board names. Use tools like Pinterest Trends and Pinterest Search Bar to find popular keywords in your niche. You also want to make sure you are consistent. Regularly pinning your new content signals to Pinterest that your account is active and valuable, which can boost visibility in search results. You also can use Pinterest analytics to track the performance of your pins and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Monitor metrics like impressions, saves, and clicks to understand what works best. Let's talk about how to promote affiliate products on Pinterest. You can directly pin your affiliate links on Pinterest, but it's often more effective to direct traffic to your blog or website depending on what your goals are. Pin images related to the affiliate products with your affiliate links in the URL field. You also can create blog posts or landing pages with affiliate links and pin those pages on Pinterest. Let's talk about how to drive traffic and increase conversions. First, make sure you engage with your audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, joining group boards, and collaborating with other pinners. Building a community increases your reach and engagement. You can even collaborate with influencers. Again, you want to make sure you're analyzing your performance. Use Pinterest analytics to track the performance of your pins. Analyze which pins are driving the most traffic and conversions. You want to make sure you're using this data to optimize your future content. Next is A/B testing. Experiment with different pin designs, descriptions, and posting times to see what works best. A/B testing helps you refine your strategy and increase conversions. Create multiple versions of your pins and track their performance. Adjust based on the results to improve your content. Next, how to monetize your Pinterest traffic. Use landing pages. Create landing pages on your blog or website. We recommend using Hostinger. If you want to use Hostinger, go ahead and use the promo code Charlie Chang and you will receive a discount. Another one we recommend is Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce builders landing page. If you click the link in the description, you will be taken to a page that looks like this, and you can go ahead and start the free trial. Another way to drive traffic is offering free resources. Provide free resources like ebooks, guides, or checklists in exchange for email signups. Use these email lists to promote affiliate products and drive sales. You want to make sure you create high quality resources that offer real value. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your email list. You also want to make sure you create evergreen content because that content will stay relevant over time. This ensures your pins continue to drive traffic and sales long after they're published. You can create a resource that's timeless and always on demand. Update your content periodically to keep it current. To wrap up this video, Pinterest affiliate marketing is a powerful way to make money online by leveraging the platform's vast user base and visual appeal. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can set up your Pinterest account for affiliate marketing, create compelling content, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly pin new content, engage with your audience, and monitor your performance to continuously improve your strategy. And if you want a free comprehensive guide with everything you need to build a profitable affiliate marketing business, go ahead and click the link in the description called Master Affiliate Marketing. You will learn how to build an affiliate marketing website, how to use social media to 100x your revenue, how to use AI tools to level up your marketing content, and so much more, all for free. So make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.